Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today we're diving into a truly groundbreaking platform called Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI platform that allows users to create videos with an incredible library of over 100 different avatars. The platform allows users to write scripts, convert them into voiceovers, and customize the video with various elements like background, logo, and pre-designed templates. The platform is fast, efficient, scalable, and cost-effective, making it accessible to everyone. It supports over 120 languages and allows users to create content for a global audience. Synthesia is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create professional videos. To get started with your own AI videos, you can visit the link in the description below. Go check it out and follow along.